In the Heart of the Word. Reflections by Father Joseph Mary, SCTJM, on the daily readings from the Holy Mass, Monday of the 23rd week of Ordinary Time. In Christ we are restored.
God bless you, dear family. Today in the Heart of the Word, Jesus went into the synagogue on a certain Sabbath and taught. There was a man in the synagogue whose right hand was withered, and Jesus asks, "Is it lawful to do good on the Sabbath rather than to do evil, to save life rather than to destroy it?" According to the scribes and Pharisees, it was unlawful even to heal on the Sabbath, and they were anxious to see what Jesus would do. Then looking around at them all, Jesus said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." He did so, and his hand was restored. The Pharisees and the scribes were enraged. The gospel today places before us the fundamental question of why we exist, and this question is directly related to the Sabbath. The scribes and Pharisees are correct to desire to fulfill the will of God, but they do not see his original intention and therefore are blind to his love. In the beginning, God creates the heavens and the earth, and the pinnacle of his creation is the Sabbath. The scriptures say God rested on the Sabbath and made the seventh day holy. But what does that mean? God makes creation holy because on the seventh day, God gives himself to man. Is it right to heal on the Sabbath? Another way to ask the question, should God give himself to us on the Sabbath so that he may heal us and give us his life? Of course! In the gospel today, by healing the hand of this man, Jesus not only restores his physical life, but now he is able to work and therefore to marry and to have a family. He can participate fully in the liturgy of the synagogue and the temple by raising his right hand in praise to the Lord. And finally, with his right hand restored, he can bless his children and be a father. Jesus has healed this man and restored his life, and that is the purpose of the Sabbath. Let us listen to these words of Mother Adela. The love of Jesus is radically new because it transcends all of our limited ideas and limited loves. It is a universal love reaching all, our neighbor, our brother, the one with whom we share the same faith, and even our enemies. It is a love that causes a true revolution in our hearts. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart of Mary.